tough. Oh, look at that. You're probably asking, why are we back on the Passaic again?
We got a smoky day. We got wildfires. It's going to affect our pulmonary. I can kind of feel it, So, but I'm not scared. I think I have utmost confidence, and I'm psyched to get up to the falls and get closest to the bottom of the falls I've ever been.
Kayaking yeah, I just say hello. First time kayaking, really. Just been on a baby lake before, and Mike is loaning me a nice kayak to go out with, and Alex loaned me a vest, so here we go.
We're good to go. Let's do this.
Let's do it.
How you doing today? How's it going? You all right? Cold? Yeah. Do you remember me? No? Is that your friend that lives over here? Here. You have a great day, all right? Take care of yourself. Watch out for the smoke. For the smoke. Man, this is not a good place to live. I feel bad. This is how people are living, but just makes me think, I'm grateful for life, and then if this is how they're gonna have to live, you have to think about what are their life choices, or are they mentally ill, all the above. It's just, anyway, it's how people are living. All right. Oh, it's a fox. That's so, look, there's a fox. Yeah, it's beautiful. So folks, the reason why you're seeing things like fox is there's so much development that these fox don't really have anywhere to go. Same thing with people. Interesting. All right. Wow, so this is such a contrast to when I was here in the summer. I want to make sure Kembrew is okay. Kembrew, you all right? It's all right. All right. You got it. This is crazy. Look at all these tires I got blown down from the storm and just being thrown in and catching here. Oh, careful over here. So I want you to see this pipe. So even with the no rain, there is still, this is a pretty significant current right here. I was not expecting this. All right. See that rock on the left, you wouldn't want to hit that coming back down. And again, this isn't tidal because there's a dam, the Dundee Dam below this. This is a heck of a first time run for somebody on a kayak. So this is so deceptive. We're really struggling through this little pocket here of current. Nice. Woo!
Feel that burn, baby, burn.
So we're pulling in, this is the aqueduct.
I worked in Silk City. This is, I think, the 5th or 6th Ave bridge. This is the road into Paterson here from the Heldon side. And Paterson was full of chemical plants, and I worked for one of them that we used to make the dyes that went into the textiles. And this is why it was called Silk City, because it was a big all these mills were textile mills. A lot of them have been torn down and converted to things like Home Depots, but you know, a wonderful, rich chemistry history here. And I worked for a company called Mona Industries, which is no longer here, but that's part of it.
Wow.
During Sandy, superstorm, the water level was to the roadway. And that's a good 20 feet at least right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I rode over that roadway during Sandy on a bicycle. And the water was lapping at it. I remember for years afterwards, there was plastic bags in all these trees. And, you know, they finally gone away, but until the next.
That's why we banned the bags. I know it's a sore spot, but there's way too many of them. I don't know if you can see from the video, but the smoke is insane.
Smoke has subsided a bit. I feel that today is not a healthy. If you're an at-risk person, don't try strenuous activities such as this.
And maybe not paddle on a polluted river, but
Well, we're on a polluted river with air pollution, so I love it. Pollution times 2. I gotta say, I think this water quality here right now, because we haven't had rain, it's pretty clean. I'm looking. It doesn't smell bad.
Remember when I tried this attempt in the summer and I met those my two friends there on Short Street? This is pretty climatic because last time we couldn't get past here, and the two fellows fishing helped me out. They gave me some refuge, and then I had to turn back. But we're gonna do it, and that's Paterson coming out. Any thoughts, guys, so far?
I'm looking a little
to the left,
to Whitewater,
maybe
yeah.
that rock over there, maybe just to the right of that rock.
My thoughts are, is it deep enough to go up it now? Because I don't want to be thwarted
But
based
remember,
on this
you
river.
can always push with your paddle like a Venetian gondolier.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know.
And we can. I mean, it's not gonna be. I don't mind getting out to walk.
Yeah. Okay. That's okay. So if it gets hard, just jump out. I get you.
Yeah. Just be careful. Well,
Yeah, it's slippery. I get it.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's the rule. I'm gonna go if I can't
There's
get
the
out.
heron you said.
Yeah, the herrings are up there.
You want to go first?
I'll go first, but on the Italian saying "Ciao Bella." Leave it there, chick.
I gotta see if I can make it. I might have to do the gondola method here. I want that deep hole right here.
You can do it, Mikey! Come on, Mikey! He's made it. It's a game of inches, folks. Inches. Look, he's out of the maelstrom. Woo!
Oh man, I tried not to put my paddle down. What do you think?
It's most excellent.
Yeah, I thought it was impossible.
It was. We all put it in
Yeah.
110% because if you didn't push on that and just stopped,
It just looked so
gave up,
wimpy.
you were going backwards. You
Yeah.
had to push through.
You know what, guys? People watching this are gonna make
Say-
comments and say, you know, you guys went down a Fisher Price, but until you're in it,
Yeah.
you know, it was real.
I mean, at the end of the day, you stop paddling, you're gonna go backwards a couple
Yeah.
feet and go
Well,
back
these are
down
big
river. It's
sails.
not- but it's still,
Yeah.
it's pushing up that next ridge. It's finishing that next project. It's pushing through. It's just a intestinal fortitude.
All right.
Yeah, I was just happy that like right at the very top I found a little eddy current and I could take a break because this is like a big red sail, you know, it's being pushed backwards.
Yeah.
And it's only your arms that can pull it forward, you know, so it's fun.
How's it going? NPCs. This kayak sits too low. I'm not gonna be able to get through here. These guys might be able to. He made it.
Walking it.
How's it going?
Hello.
Yeah, it's this guy rides to this kayak. The one thing about the wilderness, they ride low. I just don't want to get impaled. I'm really impressed with Kembrew. Were you singing the rooster?
Yeah,
Nice.
but the otter.
This ain't pretty. All right. This is tough.
Yeah, that was beast mode. It's just too shallow.
Shallow. The guys are saying it's shallow. I agree. We'll do a post-mortem later, but it's hard to see this, but I wanted everybody to see this building. How's it going, man? I didn't see anybody. You're welcome. So Kembrew was talking about this building on the right, making it into like lofts, or you could have art. And you notice when you do things like that to a place like Paterson, it brings in more culture. And not that there's plenty of culture in Paterson, but it attracts more people to kind of revitalize. But yeah, it's a building. I don't know what's being used for right now.
Land ho! Beautiful.
You thinking you're gonna paddle this? So what are we talking about here, fellas?
We have about 120 yard portage
Yeah.
along the riverbank here.
I think
We have this
there's a
cool,
second
really
weir
cool
right
old
there
weir
that.
here that's we're
Yes.
standing on.
Yeah,
And don't step into quicksand over
yeah.
there.
That's all water.
But yeah, we're gonna make it. I guess we're gonna go across the rocks here, try to get to the other side of the bridge.
Yeah, this
Because it
section.
drops right by the bridge. We're not gonna be able to make that anyway.
Yeah, this section of the river getting to the falls. This may not be passable, but we'll hump the
Yeah. Then we'll paddle what we
the
can.
kayaks as far up as we can on land and see if we can do another section or two.
Go, Kembrew.
Let's do it.
We really weren't planning on this, but this is all part of the adventure. I think I'm good. Yeah, now I'm just kind of clunking around. Whoa.
Very impressed. This is getting a little harder here. Yeah, because it's gonna
sometimes you can walk across it, it gets like, it might like, but this is fucking awesome.
Well,
We're about to get wet. We're gonna have
You
to
got a
drag it.
YouTube channel or something like that?
yeah. Yeah, you can check us out.
YouTube channel.
What's your YouTube channel? So
It's,
this shit used to be contaminated 100 years ago, right?
still probably is, but.
We're not trying to drink it, that's for
Yeah,
sure.
we're not drinking, but we need some water. We're out of water.
Give me-
It's taking-
Look at the ingenuity.
Talk about a workout. Good thing you wore your hard hat. I'm going under the bridge.
How's it going, man?
Hey,
We're going to Great Falls. Thank you.
thank you. God bless.
I'm breathing.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot, that was nuts. Feels crazy to be in the water again. Can we just walk it? So right in the heart of Paterson, I can't tell you how many people have stopped and waved and asked us questions, and they're really happy. When yeah, it's Paterson, Passaic River, lots of stories. Look how dry it is here. This is, when I look on Google Maps, there's usually water going through. This is a bridge here. There's two places underneath. We're gonna try to get under here. Let's see what happens. It's amazing. Look at that. All right.
We did a little portage here, again, a little, and we're kind of running out of river. I don't know if how far we're gonna get, but let's push on, and let's get to the next one and see what happens. Okay.
Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. I don't think the guys know, but this might be the end of this paddle, at least going this way.
We're close. I know where we are. We're close.
Well, look ahead, folks. That is the start of the Great Falls. We did make it, but this is way more portage than I thought it would be. And we still have to go back, but let's get pumped because we made it. Oh, that's wonderful. Wow. I can't believe we did it. I was losing faith, but we're gonna make it. Again, I gotta make sure I don't get too excited and fall in. Wow. Wow. I've been waiting for this. Wow. This is the Great Falls. We did it. I'm tagging below. Wow. Whew. Man, I can't. You know what, guys? Guys,
Oh, we made it. We're on.
How cool is this, dude?
I was
I didn't think we paddled from Hawthorne to the Great Falls of Paterson.
All the way to the Great Falls.
We had to carry the boat a few times, huh?
Carried the boat quite a bit.
But you know, we are unburdened by the rocks that are behind us.
Yes.
Unbelievable.
We did it, man. We
Look at that view. Go up on it.
we're gonna get up on it, but and first time kayaker. Kembrew,
What a
you're
blast, bro.
nuts.
I'm elated to be here. I've been here hundreds of times in my life. I fished off that rock right over there, that big one, like 30 feet away from you, but I've never been closer than that. Never did it in a boat. The way we were able to pull it off today is...
So I
Gotta be
think
careful though, there's quite the current coming out of
Yeah, we'll be careful.
Yeah. Watson, watch out behind me.
Oh, look at that. We are underneath the Great Falls in Paterson, New Jersey. I am elated. I'm so happy. I didn't know if we could make it. The guys, gotta be safe here. It's amazing. Wait, what's happening? All right. So I didn't realize, but we're getting thrown out of here. But that's okay. I didn't know you weren't allowed in here.
Let's hit the road, Jack. Don't come back with the kayak. No, 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 no.
I guess it took these maniacs to figure out how to get here, but I just want everybody to see it. I'll say hi to everybody. How's it going? I think. I don't know. Where are they? All right, I guess it's time to go. Where'd that announcement come from?
The park ranger.
Okay. He said get out of here, right?
So yeah, apparently we're not allowed to kayak under the falls. We were just alerted by the National Park Rangers, which I know Ernie works there and some other guys have worked on that SUM building actually, SUM, Society of Urban Manufacturing, up there. And then Alexander Hamilton. But God willing, we made it here today. This is unbelievable. This is great. I couldn't ask for a better day.
It's great. It is. It's crazy. And look at.
Great adventure.
Oh yeah. And look at that. I mean, it's just so much to look at.
Yeah. And you know we.
Sorry. Yeah, we're going. Ranger just told us to get out. I mean, this is unbelievable. I didn't see him there. It's probably more treacherous going back than it is. Well, this is. Oh. Wow. Immediately I almost I'm worried about my buddy, but meanwhile I'm this is beautiful. Oh, this is so much more fun going down. Wow. Just stay perpendicular is going to be my Oh. Holy crap. I am up high. Wow, that was tough. I almost, we got a line here or what? All right. That was kind of nuts. That was nuts.
Mike, John really needs some water.
What we're doing here is the gang is taking a little break because this was pretty intense. So I forget what street this is. Oh, but Alex is heading up climbing in a true urbex fashion over the wall.
Cop just drove by, which is epic.
We fit right in, I think.
Just drove by. Hey guys, I'm going to the store. I'll be right back. Hey, Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree.
Just get some. No, they don't have beer.
We got by water, by land.
By sea.
The fence. All right, here. They didn't have date rate. They had.
We will get beer. Don't worry, man. We're good.
Taking a moment here, I'm in Paterson. I'm with some friends. We just had a phenomenal run here. I'm in shock that we made it to the falls. I thought it was going to be a trilogy but we did make it. And look here, we are in the heart of Paterson. People here are so cool. They're taking pictures of us, videos. I don't know if they're making fun of me. It's okay, I don't mind. But yeah, I mean, we did it and we're heading down. We did all the hard work. So the guys and I, they're taking a break and we're gonna go and we're gonna drift down. We're gonna watch out for all these obstructions. And it's gonna be...
There's some serious stuff that we gotta go through because the stuff that we walked around, now we're going down.
All right, positive vibes. Stay dry, stay safe for the rest of this. That was crazy. Almost got window shaded right there. 2 hands on the paddle. Big rock. Okay. Howdy. That was not smart. 2 hands on the paddle. Thank you. Appreciate it. Little girl said or a little boy said be careful, which is really sweet of them. It sounded like a little kid, but it could have been a person, adult. So folks, you're looking at some more fortunate reality here of people living near the river and pollution, but still a fascinating place. Advised by my friends to go to the left here. Okay. Sorry. Try to avoid that, went right towards it. What kind of fish usually? Yeah? Nice. Enjoy.
right here, sliders. See them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is. I love this.
I'm gonna go right over here.
Well, we're about to take out here.
Back,
His fingers are.
but we had a kayaker down there, and he gave Ryan a ride up to the truck.
But
What we should have done is just left the car down there.
this is amazing. This is the greatest. Might have been the greatest paddle ever.
Good night.
Yo,
We did it.
This is a well-earned drink.
Yeah, very well earned drink. It sounds insane, but we just paddled from Hawthorne Recreation Center by what is that, Lincoln Ave Bridge. Did several portages.
I think
Dragged our ass
3 or 4.
forward. Yeah, 3 or 4.
Towards
and
the
then
end, they just kind of blurred into.
got to the Great Falls.
Got kicked out of the Great Falls.
Got kicked out of the Great
by
Falls
the
with
National Park Service.
National Park Service with a bullhorn yelling at us. They were nice, at least. The
Yeah.
people, I felt like we were sort of in a zoo because everybody was taking our pictures.
Yes, yes.
They all, every bridge in Paterson we passed, they all were
Everybody
filming
was
us.
filming.
One of the guys who was super nice, he offered to get us water because we ran out of water.
ran out of
And we're
water.
dehydrated.
And it was late in the season. John
Yeah.
got hypothermia.
I got
towards the end.
hypothermic at the end. I'm
Yeah.
recovering now.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you guys know, but I invited my friend here. So
Yeah.
this is what we do. What I would say, if you're anybody watching this, it doesn't matter how old you are, how young, what your skill level is. Just be safe and take advantage of what's around you, and
Yeah.
take your time. I did, Alex in CB.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you, I thought after the second portage, I'm like, this is nuts. Like, we're not gonna make it. And
Yeah, there was some doubt.
It was nuts.
But I saw in their eyes they were determined. I'm like, well, pulling around that bend and seeing the gusher of the dam of the falls, and it was like,
I've seen it so many times in my life.
yeah.
And to see it after all that effort was.
I've never seen that view, and it really, I felt like we accomplished something. What was kind of funny to me too, one of the guys on the bridge who was kind of shouting down to us, you got 3 dudes coming up the river in a kayak, and at that time we're doing portage, and he said, I've lived here 40 years, and I've never ever seen somebody in a kayak or a boat going up that portion. Don't advise anybody to do what we
need
did.
to do a little bit of further investigation.
Yeah.
But
we support it if you do it.
Yeah.
Right?
By all means.
The level of the water was so low that it actually was a confounding factor because the current picked up a lot wherever it was low.
Right.
And then you just drag your way upstream on rocks. And, we were like gondolier pushing off rocks to go even a few feet. And I think that's why I'm a
But
little
I think
bummed.
had it been higher, you would have been more current, and it
I
would
don't
have
know.
been more difficult.
Yeah,
So
there's a balance. I think you went before and the current was
Those
ripping.
sections we walked, there was no way we could paddle those.
No, you
sections.
could not, because
maybe one of them, but
I
not-
almost
we-
tipped
I was just
over-
too tired paddling some of them.
Yeah, I almost tipped over going downstream
Yes.
I hit a rock and it turned me, and I have no experience on this.
Yeah,
and
we
I
wanted to talk to you.
I
about
started
that.
taking water. I
John's
actually,
first day kayaking.
I'm the guy who just leads on, and
Yeah.
I didn't know what I was doing.
Yeah, we meant to. We're like, we should discuss.
And I hit a rock,
the-
and I started turning sideways, and the
physics,
thing
yeah.
turned, and then water
Yeah.
started coming in the
I
side.
saw
so,
you, I saw you.
So
I
I took
was
water on, and
Yeah.
then life is good after that.
When you
know?
turn, if you watch Foul Rift,
Yeah.
you'll see.
You can see
when
when you get
turn,
that window shade.
You go in.
But then I got it. Then
Yeah.
you get the hang of it. You got to lean into it the opposite.
But I mean, I gotta say to this guy who I just met,
Follower.
took my banger kayak. It's a 10-foot Pelican. So this is a great testimony. Blissfully was like, I'm gonna do this.
Not the boat.
Game was short lesson, and he was ahead of conquering and doing his thing. And on the way back, if you watch the rapids, I mean, there was like almost a class 2 at some of that stuff, and it's kind of he did it. So I'm extremely impressed. It was, and
Thank you.
I needed you guys to push on, because when I would never do that alone.
So we need to top off. We should have. We're entering our trip at Shortways Barn Restaurant. It's been here for 1933, I think. The doors were open legally. So we had a great deep dish pan pizza. Comes out in cast iron skillets. Don't touch the skillet.
That's what's left.
Left
Yeah,
there.
it was delicious.
We're actually on the stage, and Ken Brew has played here.
This is Jersey. This is Americana. This is the best stuff. There's another place, so check this place out.
Gotham Road exit right off of 208.
Yeah, North Jersey, right?
North Jersey.
Not a hop skip, but I think we're out. But this is an epic adventure.
I'm gonna sleep well tonight after today's
Oh, and
adventure.
last comment for me. These guys just told me we actually kayaked 7.1 miles. So we went like over 3.5 from Hawthorne to the falls, and then another 3.5 miles back. And I'm so glad we got to eat chili and pizza and beers, and everything was wonderful, because now I feel like a human being again.
Yes.
Yeah, it was. That was every video I say this is the most strenuous paddle, but this was the craziest paddle, and it was the most.
I feel alive
prize,
today. I
yeah.
feel blessed to have been
Hello.
able to do this.
Hello. Do you need some change?
No.
Thank you very much.
We're out.